Hey, welcome. My name is Kelsey. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today, I wanted to talk a little bit about not buying makeup. Before we jump in, I wanted to mention my plant friend here. If you aren't familiar with my channel, or maybe you're just not interested in videos that I've posted about plants, I am a plant fan. My husband and I have so many plants at our house, and I'm in a room right now that I'm trying to turn into like a studio, but right now it's very blank in here and there's not really much going on behind me. So when I film in here, I try to bring a plant in to just add a little bit of interest in life. And so I thought it'd be kind of fun to do like a plant a week, like talk about a different plant, or like a plant of the week, I guess is what I'm looking for. So this is an umbrella tree. It is so cute. We've had it for just about 2 years, and when we got it, it was just like this little tiny guy, and it's grown so much over the last few years. It's so fun to watch this thing put out new little like leaf shoots. It's so cute. There's a few new ones coming in right now, and I just about screamed this morning when I saw them. And so I love this plant. If I didn't say this already, it's an umbrella tree. I think I said that. I don't remember. But it's a variegated umbrella tree, and it's so pretty. It's so lush and beautiful, and I love him so much, and so I thought it'd be really cute in the background of a video. Also, I filmed this video already and just deleted it on accident. So that's my favorite. But I wanted to talk about not buying makeup. So from October through the end of 2019, I was on a no buy, and I felt like I had done pretty good during the no buy, and then like even after it ended, I was like, wow, I did pretty great. I didn't really buy a ton of stuff. There was a few things that I was like telling myself that I was okay to buy because I needed like some new face wash and a face scrub, and I was planning on buying this eyeshadow palette from Milk Cosmetics, and I was like, all right, those are the things I bought, not bad. And I was also keeping BoxyCharm during that process, and so I was like, well, I didn't do too bad. And then I filmed the recap video from like the conclusion of the no buy. And I feel like when I was filming it, it kind of hit me that I was like, wow, I didn't do a good job at this. And then when I was editing it like a week later, I was like, yep, this was rough. So from October through December, I spent just about $290 on makeup, skincare, and hair care. A few of those things I'm like fine with purchasing, like my face wash that I needed. I bought a texturizing spray from my stylist. I bought like a few things that were like things that I did need. But I also bought like a big haul from Glossier and BoxyCharm every month, stuff that I definitely didn't need. And so it just turned into like not a no buy at all. And so I've just been feeling very challenged with it recently. So I'm not 100% sure where I want to go from here. January has been, it's currently the 26th, by the way. January, I feel like I haven't bought a ton of stuff, but I have bought a few things here and there. I've also had BoxyCharm this month, and I've had 2 BoxyCharm subscriptions in January and December. And I think that was another thing when it really hit me, was when I was doing my last Shop My Stash, just like sorting through all of the products that I had in my vanity was kind of obnoxious. And like over the past 2 months, I've gotten 22 items just from BoxyCharm, and that's a lot of products. Like before I did BoxyCharm, I didn't buy a ton of makeup. I mean, I definitely bought makeup here and there, but it was more so like stuff that I needed. So if I was like running low on a foundation, or like maybe there was a new foundation that I just like really wanted to try, or like a concealer, or like I needed a new eyebrow product. But now with BoxyCharm, I just get so much stuff every month. And I enjoy BoxyCharm. Like, I love getting my BoxyCharm. It's so fun to get like a little box of goodies every month to like unbox. And it's so fun. I love it. I think it's a great deal. But I really don't need it. Like, I'm gonna be filming my BoxyCharm recap from October through December, so during my no-buy, after I finish filming this, I think it's gonna be a little eye-opening of just how many products that I use out of the things that I've gotten from BoxyCharm. I think I get great things from BoxyCharm. There's stuff that I'm like super excited to get in BoxyCharm, but there's also a lot of stuff that maybe doesn't work for me, doesn't work for my skin type, is like a bad color for me. And so there's definitely those items, or like maybe even things I just don't vibe with. But then there's, I mean, like I said, there's stuff that is great, that works for me, but would I have bought it if I wasn't in BoxyCharm? Probably not. Would I still spend like the $25 to $35 a month on other products that wasn't in BoxyCharm? Probably, but it would probably be stuff that I actually want. So this kind of leads me into my no-buy of sorts. I feel like I just need a little bit of a reset in my makeup collection. So here's my dilemma. I'm trying to decide if I keep BoxyCharm. I think after February, I am done with BoxyCharm. So like I said, it's almost February now as I'm filming this, and I'm really trying to decide if I should keep my subscription for February and then cancel after, or if I should just like straight up cancel tonight and not get BoxyCharm anymore. I already know like one of the products I'm supposed to be getting in my BoxyCharm is a straightener, and I could really use a new straightener. And so that's why I'm like tempted to keep it just for February. But then that gets me into this cycle of like, well, what if next month the choice item is also something that I need? And so I don't know. I think what I'm gonna do at this point is cancel after February and then be on a no-buy for all of February, if that makes sense. So kind of what I was trying to do with my no-buy of like just getting BoxyCharm and nothing else. But then after February, I feel like I might just like keep that going. Another thing I'm also really interested in doing is doing like a makeup inventory. So I feel like I've seen that a bunch going around on YouTube recently of people like counting up their makeup items, like how many face products, eye products, lip products, whatever. Because I feel like that might give me a little bit of insight into where, like, things that I actually need to go through before I can buy other things. And I feel like quitting BoxyCharm will help with that. I don't know. So it's just some things I've been thinking of. So I think as of right now, my plan is to have BoxyCharm for February, cancel after February, and be on a no-buy for February, and then maybe like a low-buy for a few months. Because like I said, I just feel like I need a little bit of a reset in my makeup collection. I just have so many items right now. I also feel like I could do a declutter again, even though I feel like I just did one like last month. But somehow there's definitely a few things that I don't use in my makeup collection. Well, there's a lot of things I don't use in my makeup collection. Some of them I want to keep, some of them I don't. So I don't know. I feel like I need like an organization, I need a reset, and I need like a declutter on my makeup. And so that's kind of my plan for the next few months. I hope this video made sense. I don't know. I've been feeling super challenged with this recently. I just want to enjoy my makeup. Like, I love makeup. Getting ready in the morning is like one of my favorite parts of the day. If I don't have enough time to like do my makeup in the morning, it's just like a trash morning, and I feel like the day isn't gonna be good after that. But I love sitting down at my vanity in the morning, maybe watching a YouTube video, do my makeup, and I just feel like it's such a great start to my day. And so along with that, I like trying new things. I also am on trying to do like this YouTube thing where I talk about makeup, and so I feel like there's a pressure to try new makeup, and I'm trying to get away from that as well. I do feel the pressure a little bit, but I also don't feel like you need to have everything to talk about makeup. I think most people watching YouTube do not have a giant makeup collection. I mean, I feel like I have a lot of makeup, but I know a lot of people that have a lot more makeup than me, and so I feel like I kind of fall in the middle range of like I have more than I can use, but not like a room full of makeup. Anyways, I don't know if you have any tips or like ideas on what to do with makeup collections, whether it's organizing or doing a little bit of like a hard reset, leave them down below. Are you doing like a no buy this year? I feel like it's kind of a popular thing right now, is people doing no buys for the year or for like a few months, and I'm kind of into it. So if you're doing something, leave it down below. I'd love to hear what you're doing, what your tips are, what your tricks are. So that's it. That's all I wanted to talk about today. But thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe down below if you haven't already, because I would love to have you around. And until next time, bye guys.